Hey guys, going to do a quick video today. I want you to listen to this sound. It's the E string. Do you see how it's in the nut and it's going straight across? Actually, it's leaning. It's hard to tell because the nut is angled that way, but you can tell that it's going at least flat, but probably, yeah, it's flat right there. So take it from that. Do one thing that I always do. Take a pencil and color in the back of the nut toward the string, right? The leading edge right here. See how I still haven't got to the pencil mark yet? I'll do it one-handed. Okay, I can still see the pencil mark. Okay, the pencil mark is just about gone, sorry. Pencil mark's just about gone. For a quick video. What happened to that buzz? Guess what? It was right there. So anytime you hear that sitar sound, it's because some nut has filed the nut straight across. So don't let your nut get filed. You have to have an intonation point, and it has to be on this side where the string leaves. That's got to be the highest part of the channel. The rest needs to go that way. All right, kids, take it easy.